Hello and welcome back. So let's continue real quick here and fix the edit and delete for this section. So we are here in the admin categories, and if I click on edit at this point, this is what I get: page not found. And you know, every time you see page not found like this, you know it's a route problem. So let's go back to our routes here and web.php, and let's go to the section with admin category. So we have this one for categories, and of course we just have to let's see here. Actually, we have this one, so let's duplicate it. So we want a similar thing with what we have with posts. So we have posts type, and then we have posts. We have just this one, and then we have this one, and then we have the one that has an ID as well. So many routes, but no problem. So on this one, we need two. We need get and post, and then get and post here as well. So let me just add a slash over here and type. So I may just copy from this other one. So I'll get this first and put it here, and then get this version and put it here like that. Okay, goody. Everything else remains the same, only that now I need to duplicate this and change this to post like so, and then duplicate this one as well, change that to post. Okay, goody. So once we are there, we are done. And so let's try again. Edit. Okay, so this time it's probably just the page that isn't found. So wait a minute, categories, edit. Okay, so now that we are done with our routes, what we need now is to go to our controller. All right, up, HTTP controllers, admin controller. Okay, so admin controller here, and we go to categories. Let's go to edit. So categories is right here, and then there is add, and there is edit here. Okay, so if something was posted, this is what happens here, but otherwise we are supposed to just return view admin edit post. Okay, so edit post here is not there yet. So let's go to our resources, views, in the admin. Edit post is actually there, edit post.blade.php. Okay, so everything seems to be fine. So what is the problem then? So let's see here, categories. So the first thing to check is to see if we are getting to the controller that we want at all. So I'm just going to put die over here, and then let's come back here. Let's see what is going on. So it has died here, which means things are good. Okay, then let's see now if we have type is equal to edit, right here. So let me put that here and try to die from there. So I will refresh, and is that a die? Oh, 404. So if I move this to here, actually let me just undo to the top there. We see the difference is that here if I click, wait, categories, ooh, what's happening? Wait a minute, what's going on? Refresh. Okay, so even that isn't working at all. So admin categories. but that was working just a minute ago. Posts is fine. Categories, no. Okay, so what has gone wrong here? Admin categories, right? Okay, so let's go back to the routes here. What have we done that is wrong? Oh, sorry, my bad here. So I need one, excuse me, just like there is this one with just post there in the get, I also need one of these. So when I copied, I didn't leave a copy of it. So I should leave one here that doesn't need these extra variables here, just categories like that. Okay, so that was my bad. Let's refresh. There we go. So let's click on the edit one now and see what we get. Okay, so edit one, that should work as well. So categories edit one. So there's categories slash. Okay, so it's the slash here that's missing, and there as well. So slash, sorry, my bad. Okay, so we are done with our routes now. Everything is good. Now it's showing this edit post because we because that's the view that we have is copied from the edit post, right? And also inside the controller, if I come to where it says edit, which is right here, the title, I need to change the title from here. So instead of edit post, this one should be edit category. So edit category, because it's just one like this. Okay, so let's get back here and refresh. Okay, so edit category, we've changed that. Now in a category, the only thing we need to edit is just the category title itself. Everything else is irrelevant. So let's go to the edit post, edit. This is the wrong one. It should be edit category. Where is that? Category.blade, edit. Okay, so we do have categories.blade. So back here, edit post. So this is not what we are supposed to do. It should be edit category, like so. Okay, so now we don't have that view. And also redirecting here, we should redirect to categories, like so. Okay, categories slash edit category as the view. So we're going to just get exactly what's inside edit post, copy everything here, right click, create a new file, paste, save this file. Let's copy the format by selecting the edit post, but then changing post to category, like so. Save that. Okay, so we don't need summer note, of course, because we won't be needing that at all. And then so we can remove this summer note here, the text area. We need the CRF, the CSRF, we need that. Category ID, we do not need that. Featured image, we don't need that either. This is title, we do need that, but it's called category. So category name, maybe that's a category name as the title there. And then let's see here, ID should be, there should be a name here for this, and this one should be title. So instead of title here, let's change to category. And then let me just select everything that has title and change that to category. So category, like so. Good. Okay, so I think we are in business here. So if I now refresh the page, I smell a problem because it's taking quite a bit of time. So it's saying undefined variable page category online. So I guess I changed too many things while selecting too many things. So it should be page title at the top here. I ended up changing that as well. So change that back for the title, and let's refresh. Okay, so this is what we have, edit category, and we have this instead. And that's the wrong spelling over there. What's going on here? Category. Category. Let me change that. Okay. All right, so what is going on in here? Where is the value? Value is this row category. Okay, so it turns out the category here is because we are reading the posts instead. So let's come back here to our admin controller and let's change what we are reading. Now, if we go to our models, we have the category model here, which is right here. So instead of using the post model here, we have to change this to category. So I just select, I think I instantiated it once here. So I will just change that to category. So category like that. And this one too can be changed. So let's see which ones are selected, and that looks about right. So I'll press Ctrl D, but it's going to that and I don't like that. So let me just select case sensitive here so that I can select the case sensitive versions. So there we go. And change that to category like so. Okay, so we have that, and what else do we have? Redirect, category, row. Now here we don't need to get the categories at all, so remove that, no need. And so we can remove this one as well. Boom. The row shall remain, edit category, and this looks about right. So let's come back and see what we can do. Refresh. Okay, so class category not found. Okay, so always when we want to use a class, you must make sure that you declare it at the top here. So just duplicate this because it's in app models anyway, and just add category like so. Okay, pretty good. And now let's refresh. And there we go. So category name is food. If I try to go back, I will go to posts. So let me edit that as well. In the edit category .blade, where is this? Back. Let's change the link down here to categories. So categories like so. Pretty awesome. So refresh now, and let's click back, and we're back here. If I click edit, I'm here. So I can edit this now, which is pretty awesome. But if I click save at this point, things will go wrong. A couple of things will go wrong. So unless we edit what's inside the controller. So let's, so that's categories and edit. And so we need to edit what is in here. Okay, so let's do that in the next video.